Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into something super practical for all you crypto enthusiasts out there. The title says it all. How to transfer XRP from Uphold to Exodus in 2025. Whether you're looking to consolidate your assets, explore new wallets, or just get more hands-on with your XRP, this step-by-step guide will have you transferring in no time. Let's jump right in. First things first, make sure you have everything set up. You'll need an Uphold account with some XRP in it and the Exodus wallet installed on your device. Exodus is a user-friendly, multi-currency wallet that's great for beginners, so if you haven't downloaded it yet, pause this video and do that now. Step 1. Log into your Uphold account. Once you're in, head over to your dashboard and find your XRP wallet. It should be listed under your assets. Click on it to open the details. Next, open your Exodus wallet on your computer or mobile app. Go to the XRP section, it's probably under the Assets tab. Here, you'll need to copy your Exodus wallet address. This is a long string of letters and numbers, so double-check that you've got it right to avoid any transfer mishaps. Now, back in Uphold, look for the Send or Withdraw option in your XRP wallet. Paste the Exodus wallet address into the recipient field. Don't forget to enter the amount of XRP you want to transfer. Make sure it's less than what you have to cover any network fees. Before you hit confirm, take a moment to review everything. Check the address, the amount, and any fees involved. XRP transfers are usually fast and cheap, but always verify to keep your funds secure. Once you're good, click send and wait for the confirmation. After the transfer, head back to Exodus and refresh your wallet. You should see your XRP arrive shortly. If it doesn't show up right away, give it a few minutes. Blockchain networks can vary. A quick word of advice. Always enable two-factor authentication on both platforms for extra security. And remember, crypto transfers are irreversible, so stay cautious. That's it for this tutorial. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more crypto tips, and let me know in the comments if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.